So now we're going to demonstrate this roll skim sand concept. And yeah, I am a big novice. The guys say I'm a big something else too, but I'll leave that to your imagination. So essentially you're loading up this composite roller, holds a lot of joint compound. These rollers arguably will last several months. If you take good care of them, they're going to last you a long time. I did a video earlier showing that I always put some tape on that roller beforehand and then pull it off just to make sure if there's any stray fibers, I get those out of there so they're not in your finish. But essentially, you're going to take a joint. We're just doing this on a joint that we'd already finished, but just to demonstrate, you can go out 24, 32 inches wide if you've got a butt joint that you need to bust out wider. Instead of taking a knife and putting the joint compound on, you can roll the joint compound on to cover a broad area. And again, you're going to want to put it on fairly thick. Sometimes if you have big depressions in the manufacturer's joint or a butt joint where it's been pulled back too far, you can put additional material on there and it'll help fill that. So now that we've got the joint compound on there, we're going to grab a pan and a 6-inch knife, maybe a 5-inch knife, and we're just going to take off the edges. We're going to taper those edges. This is going to prevent the overflow outside of the range of the blade. Then we're going to take this 24-inch skimming blade, and that's where the magic happens. He's going to use our new composite blade, super lightweight, very durable. We got triple hardened stainless steel, German stainless steel. Another unique feature about our skimming blades, we have a radiused edge on this leading edge. That radiused edge is patented by us and our partners, and it's going to give you a perfect finish every time. If you feel any other skimming blade along that edge, it's going to feel very rough because it's stamped out of a piece of steel, where ours is actually extruded in the hardening process. So very, very, very high quality blade as well. So now you'll watch as Britt takes that from top to bottom. Shazam. You don't get much faster or cleaner than that. Top to bottom, super clean finish. He's just basically skimming off some excess compound, pulls it from the bottom. No lap mark, absolutely beautiful. Smooth finish. It's just like glass. So now we've rolled it, we've skimmed it. Then we would take our radial sander, sand that joint off, and you're going to have a beautiful finish across everything that you do with this roll skim sand concept. Remember that you're going to see a lot more of this. This will revolutionize the way we finish drywall. Check it out at level5tools.com and keep watching us on the wall with Level 5.